On Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and Art Clean. We're just cleaning this skylight, and have a look at this. Can you imagine how much more light she's going to get through the house through this skylight? Just have a look at this. So when you're working on skylights, you do have to be really careful. This is actually quite low pressure that we're using here, so it's not high pressure by any means, and you have to be very careful along the seals, because that's often where if you use high pressure and the contractor damages, you know, if they don't know what they're doing, they'll damage the seal and then you'll get a leaking skylight. So to show you this, we're just going to apply a little bit of chemical onto the skylight, okay? It's more just to show you the power of using chemical, okay? So we've got the skylight to a pretty good place already, just from a light pressure clean. But now we're just going to take it to that next level. This next level of clean. I hope you can see that. There's all this tinge of yellowy brown matter which is now coming off. So this is another level of cleaning that we are doing, and the customer told me that she couldn't believe the results even before I did the chemical treatment. You can see that there, it's beautifully coming up. It's the white as opposed to the whitey brown or red. So chemicals are really helpful. And certainly for any kind of organic growth, if that's what is happening at your place, whether it be on render or tiles or any exterior surface, let us know, and can definitely give you a quote for a clean. And that's come up really good. The customer actually told me this hasn't been cleaned in 40 years, so well worth it. She's getting a lot more light internally in her space, and remember, light directly corresponds to space, plus it is really healthy for your well-being. So if we can help you, give us a call. Be happy to give you a quote. Thanks for watching.